At Westway Nissan, the safety of our customers and staff is of paramount importance. We've put together a thorough social distancing process which adheres to the latest government guidelines. This video takes you through the safety and social distancing measures you can expect when visiting your local Westway Nissan. We have introduced an innovative new system which allows you to check your vehicle in at home 24 hours before your appointment at the dealership. The online self-check-in service lets you review all the work your vehicle's been booked in for and sign it off. This reduces the need for contact at the dealership and speeds up the process. To also help reduce your time on site on the day, it will help if you clear your vehicle of any personal belongings prior to your visit, making it easier for us to sanitize.
When you arrive at the dealership and before you get out of your vehicle, please turn off the aircon, heating and close all vents. You will be greeted by a member of staff where you will be asked to hand one key to us by placing it in the plastic bag provided. Your key will be sanitised. Your vehicle will be covered with protective equipment such as seat covers, steering wheel cover, gear stick cover, floor mats, and will also be cleaned as per our 22-point vehicle cleaning checklist. When you enter the showroom, you will be asked to sanitise your hands at our sanitisation station. Gloves will be provided for your use. Social distancing measures are in place at all times, and all chairs are at least 2 metres apart. We encourage you to come alone, however there is a dedicated parent and child area to be used by one family at a time. Clear safety screens have been set up for additional safety. We have introduced an innovative, fully paperless process to reduce contact and to speed up the process. However, any items that may need to be passed will be done so at a distance. Payment machines will be sanitised after each use. When your vehicle is ready and you are leaving the showroom, please use our sanitisation station again. Before we hand your vehicle back to you, all the protective equipment that was placed in your vehicle will be removed and the door handles will be sanitised. We hope this gives you the confidence that our comprehensive social distancing process will ensure that your visit to Westway will be a safe one.
Thank you and stay safe.